Most large property owners appreciate wide open spaces and country-style views in every direction. Land containing beautiful manicured bushland can increase real estate value while still providing a space to play outside with children and pets or work on your hobbies uninterrupted. But with every great property comes a great amount of maintenance. Introducing the Pulsar Plus from MK Martin. Built to maintain large areas quickly and easily, the MK Martin Pulsar Plus is available in 60, 72, 84, and 96 inches sizes to cover more area on each pass. Equipped with 3 blades underneath, the Pulsar Plus provides a consistent even cut with each pass. The floating top link can be fitted to any A-grade tractor, helps keep the mower stable while traveling over uneven terrain, and allowing the option to tilt the mower forward and backwards with ease. Backed by our limited 5-year gearbox warranty on every Pulsar, you can rest easy knowing your investment is protected for years to come. For even more added protection, equipped on every Pulsar is a slip clutch that protects your PTO drive should an obstruction occur during operation. A rubber guard drapes along the front and back of the Pulsar to safely deflect any material or debris that may be ejected during operation to ensure a safe working environment. While the optional chain guard is recommended for operators working in harsher, denser fields. While the bolt-on skid shoes located on either side provide added protection to your property and machine. The segmented wheel located at the rear of the machine allows the Pulsar to gently float along the ground, ensuring a clean, level cut every time. Keep your property looking maintained and beautiful for years to come with the MK Martin Pulsar Plus. For more information on this product or others, visit us at www.mkmartin.ca.